Hey, what's up guys, it's Gifted Shots, and today we have an Elgato Hd60 unboxing and setup for you guys to awesomely watch, to watch this awesome video. So guys, all you guys gotta do is like and subscribe if you're new, or like the video, and let's get on right to the video. So first, the Elgato, it's in the box. Boom, got Elgato. And then the cords, you already got the cords, so boom, got the cords now. So all you guys gotta do is get the HDMI that you got from the Elgato, plug that into the PS4 where your other HDMI was that was already connected, and put the other end of that HDMI into the HDMI in. So to recap, so the one that came with the Elgato, you put that into the HDMI in, and the one that was already in the PS4 into the HDMI out. One last step. You put the USB, the mini one, into the slot, plug that to your computer, and you are set. All you guys need now is a screen recording thing. So let's get right into that. The link I have here, and you guys will go to the Elgato website where you can download the screen recording. For Windows, you click the link that says Windows, and for Mac, you click the link that says Mac. Right now, let's go to the settings for the Elgato. And then for the audio input, you put it to HDMI out, and then you put the profile to HD60, and the quality all the way to best, and then the cropping to none, and turn off all the check marks because you don't want those, and they're already on by default. Also, if you guys have a USB headset where the USB thing is connected to the PS4, and then there's a little cable that wraps around to the back of the PS4, and your headset is wireless, to record your voice with the Elgato on everything, all you guys would have to do is go to the settings on the PS4, go to audio devices, and then turn your audio out to AV or TV amplifier. And then you guys want to turn up your mic to the highest sensitivity, and boom, you guys should be able to use your headset for recording your voice. That's how you guys do it. So hope you guys like and subscribe if you're new, or like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Good boy.